Hello, hello all. We're sitting in the parking lot of Walmart in Evanston, Wyoming. And my camera got a little, That's what happens when you have a crappy tripod. Anyways, we're doing a For Science opening. If anybody's familiar with these, you know there's been a few different versions that have come out now. The latest ones are C23, which have, Lost Origin and Astral Radiance. The originals, which are C21s, had Cosmic Eclipse and I think Rebel Clash. Now these, if you can see it, say they're C22s. So these should be the ones with Evolving Skies and I forget what else. But we're gonna see if that's actually true. So, For Science. Start with the Rapidash. Got coin, of course the card, and Evolving Skies and Fusion Strike. Nice. They had a couple of these mixed in with the C23s here at this Walmart. So, remember to check the code. There's some type of hit in here. Just do the regular pack trick. Water, Farewell Bell, Lopunny, Hariyama, Stuffle. Trying to make sure you can actually see the cards. Sandygast, Plusle, Vulpix, Meltane, Relegator, and an apple. It's always the apples. Alright, let's see if our Evolving Skies does any better. If it's going to be Evolving Cries today. Code card. Grass, Swoobat, Dinglos, Stormy Mountains, Slackoth, Petalil, Pikachu, Pumpkaboo, Rufflet, Tentacruel, and a Drampa. Drampa the Grandpa. Alright, let's try the Dragapult tin. Yes, it's a little rainy out. You can see the raindrops now, even though I'm looking at blue sky. Same coin. Ooh. Might help if I turned it the right way. The Dragapult card, Evolving Skies, and Fusion Strike. There's just cards going by. Oop, already saw it's a white code card. Not that that necessarily means anything. But it is Fusion Strike. So, Dynamo, Zorua, Shelder, Caterpie, Levani, Excelgor, Psychic, Shauna, Victini Electric. Nothing there. Evolving Skies. Code Guard. Lightning. Ursaring. Crystal Cave. Toy Catcher. Feebas. Scraggy. Hitmonchan. Slackoth. Petalil. Avalugg. And another freaking apple. It's always the apples. Oh well. So out of the 4 packs, we got an apple. But yeah, make sure you check the bottom of the tin and see if it's a C22, C23. Either way, not bad packs. Or pack selection, I should say. But anyways, love y'all. See you later. Bye.